Okay, third period. By the way, you have a different homework assignment than fourth period. So this was third period, and I probably should have given you the same assignment I gave fourth period, but I was distracted today, so my apologies. So I wanted to help get you started on this because this is a little bit different from the notes that we took in that increasing and decreasing is what you were doing in the notes. And on this assignment, it asks not only for increasing and decreasing, but it also asks for positive and negative function values. And those are different from increasing and decreasing. These are two different things. So I want to explain the difference. So first of all, the increasing and decreasing, that is a review from what you put into your notes. So you should be okay with that. The thing that we didn't go over is what does it mean by positive function values? So positive function values means y. So when we talk about function values, we're talking about y. So I want to know where on the function are the y values positive numbers. So if we look at our graph, if I think about putting points on my graph, points, like that, this has a coordinate of 6, 4. Notice the y coordinate is positive. This point right here has a coordinate of 4, 3. 4, 3. So the y value is positive. Here, 2, 2, the y value is positive. Right here, 0, 1, the y value is positive. Here, -2, 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. This point, -4, -1. Right here, this one, -4, -1. Notice my y value is negative. So where do they start going negative? Starting right here at the 0 and continuing down this way is where I have my negative function values. So remember I said 0 is not negative or positive. It's neither. It's kind of neutral. So I would put an open circle around that. It doesn't include the y is 0, but it does include all these values. So right here, all of these values down this way have a negative function value, and all the ones on the other side going this way, these all have a positive function value because the y value is positive. So where do we see the dividing point between negative function values and positive function values? Right here, when the positive function values, the y coordinates are above the x-axis. So notice if I'm above the x-axis, the function values are positive. So here, we fill this in by saying above. Where are the function values negative? That would be below the x-axis. Okay, and then this is a review from the notes. Increasing means positive slopes. So the slopes of the tangents are positive, and the slopes of the tangents are for decreasing negative. So with that little clarification, hopefully you can make your way through the rest of this. Okay? So stationary points was defined in the last notes that you took, and the only thing that hadn't been defined, I believe that's on here, is positive function values and negative function values. So hopefully now you'll see anything above the x-axis has a positive function value, anything below the x-axis has a negative function value. Doesn't matter which way the slope is going for these two. For negative and positive function values, we don't care about the slope. The one we care about the slope is increasing and decreasing. All right, so let me see, anything else interesting here? Nope, you should be good. You should be able to do the rest of that with that little bit of information. Good luck. Send me an email if you have further questions. Bye-bye.